Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Hedera and Ripple, reshaping global finance. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official crypto growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, and lowest fees, so do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, we've got Decent. They've got their products. They've got their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $70 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a remarkable $149 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchains, including Ripple and Hedera. So do check it out. Anyways, let's see what's happening with the official handles of Ripple and Hedera in real time. Any new information that we can see. So this is the official X handle of Ripple. Let's see what's new. So look at this. 20 hours ago, Ripple Swell 2024 showcased how crypto and blockchain are reshaping global finance, from regulation and stablecoin growth to tokenization of real-world assets and financial inclusion. The future is here. So let's see what it has in store for us. December 11th, 2024, from Team Ripple. 4 key themes from Ripple's annual Swell conference. So let's find out what they have to say. Ripple hosted its eighth annual Swell conference in Miami, Florida in October, bringing together industry leaders from both traditional finance, TradeFi, and decentralized finance, DeFi, to discuss how the ecosystem has evolved, what are the challenges ahead, and the opportunities for further innovation. So let's see what the insights are. So number one, digital asset regulation remains top of mind. So obviously the regulation is a priority when it comes to these chains. Look at this. Blockchain innovation is flourishing in markets with clear digital asset regulation, and unfortunately, the lack of guidance in the US has stifled the nation's crypto company growth. While some progress has been made, including digital assets like XRP receiving regulatory clarity in the US, many Swell panelists agreed that regulatory uncertainty has historically been one of the biggest challenges facing the industry. This for sure. Although we are trying to grind and strive to achieve that regulatory clarity, but I think that we are still far away from the clear regulatory framework that should be established as soon as possible. This is why I'm saying that I think it might take a while for mass adoption to be achieved. Some people say that 2030, but I think that it might go beyond that as well, because these things take time. But as the US election year comes to a close and the price of BTC soars to an unprecedented high, all eyes will be on the new administration and its impact on the industry at large. Having a regulatory structure that will help separate the good from the bad and the regulated from the cowboys or worse out there. So let's hope that the new administration can sort stuff out in the US as well, because a lot of people around the globe look at US when it needs to follow something. Rightfully so, it is a financial juggernaut. So yeah. Number two, the ETFs and stablecoin growth signal confidence from traditional finance. Despite historically heavy resistance to all things crypto from the Securities and Exchange Commission, the US agency approved spot BTC ETFs in 2024, Many Swell panelists acknowledged the significance of this move as TradeFi finally recognizes rising demand for digital asset exposure from investors. So this ETF move was really great. Aside from this, the confidence in stable coins is also moving, in my opinion, in the right direction. Stablecoins were also a key part of the conversation. This asset has had its share of the limelight this year as utility potential proves true and legacy finance turns to stablecoins as an entry point into digital asset ecosystem. By the way, the RLUSD stablecoin centered around transparency of reserves and regulatory compliance. Ripple has focused on it. We're going to be looking at that in a moment, as well as Brad has also announced something. Real world use cases reign supreme. So the time for memes and the time for hype, although it is still here, many assets move with hype, and I think it will continue on to do so. Some people say that the hype projects will vanish, but I think that the hype will be there. But post compliance and regulations, if a lot of crackdown happens in these exchanges, then we do not know if these projects will continue to thrive and strive or not. But ultimately, the real world use cases is what we're looking for, and this is what legitimizes a good project from a bad one, obviously, because a good one will provide a real world use case. While consumer focused applications like NFT collectibles have historically driven adoption surges, early use cases should be viewed as a sign of the times, a rudimentary stage in the technology's revolution. Swell highlighted the ongoing shift from retail to institutional interest in this industry as trends fade into the background and real world use cases move towards the mainstream. So, this is awesome. Crypto's philanthropy angle, legacy institutions' growing confidence in this asset class has generated excitement from proponents of the technology, but decentralization as a foundational principle of blockchain is somewhat at odds with centralized initiatives like ETFs. So, numerous panelists touched on the value that crypto can bring to financial inclusion efforts. The widespread availability of smartphones and internet access can open doors for crypto enabled mobile payments and donations, making delivery of financial assistance more efficient, and it can be really used well for philanthropic purposes, for donations, for charities, for these NGOs and IGOs alike. So, this is great. This is awesome. So this was the news about RLUSD. Look at this. RLUSD is launching soon. Stay vigilant and report any impersonations or scams. This is just in. We have final approval from NYDFS for RLUSD. Exchange and partner listings will be live soon. And reminder, when RLUSD is live, you'll hear it from Ripple first. So be careful, folks. So let's see what's happening with Hedera in real time. Any new information? This is a pinned post November 18th though. Exciting times ahead for Hedera. The governing council is growing with 32 members. New features are being added, and there's a wide range of use cases such as building trust in AI data, etc. Awesome. Spanish speaking Hedera community, join us on December 17th for Hedera Hispana Hub, a new series of events to strengthen connections within the Spanish-speaking world and explore new opportunities in Web3. So our Spanish-speaking brothers and sisters, they can check this out December 17th. They have to register or look at how to register over here. This is great. Hedera is global, guys. Hedera is dealing with a lot of different languages all across the globe. So I really like where Hedera is going. We're thrilled to announce and welcome Shamna Agarajan as Hedera's new COO. With 20 plus years of leadership in AI, blockchain, and digital transformation, Shyam has a proven track record of driving business growth, operational efficiency, and innovation on a global scale. So welcome the new COO. Let's hope that he can deliver well for Hedera, and because any project, guys, it depends on the employees as well, how dedicated they are, how enthusiastic they are, how experienced they are, how skillful they are. Obviously, the only good experienced employees take the propel these businesses and projects to new heights. So let's hope that Mr. Sham can do that for Hedera. That is great. Introduced in HIP 869, the dynamic address book simplifies address book management by enabling node operators to control their entries. Cool. Dynamic address book enhancing network management. Hedera always innovates. Small innovations, small changes, small modifications. That goes a long way. Hedera, quantum-proof since inception and engineered for mass adoption. We're always hearing about the quantum computers and the quantum threats recently, and a lot of projects selling themselves as being quantum resistant. And according to this, that Hedera is quantum-proof since inception, and it is already engineered for mass adoption. So it is not selling merely on being quantum resistant, guys. This is awesome. Software Richard Beer, software engineering VP, Hashgraph shares insights on exciting new Hbar network features, onboarding the developer masses, and architecting the network's future. So look at this, the wave of adoption, how Hedera is already quantum resistant, and what are the core and foundations for its future. This seems like a really interesting read, so do check it out. What else do we have? Okay. I'm always thankful for a chance to talk with a great interviewer and educate a broader audience on Red Swan CRE's present and future plans, how distributed ledgers such as Hbar are changing the real estate industry. In our recent podcast episode, real estate tokenization and the real estates are I think triple digit trillions, guys. The overall market cap of real estates around the globe is 300 plus $1 trillion, if I'm not wrong. And if blockchain can innovate and disrupt even a small percentage of that, imagine the fireworks. And Hedera is one of the frontrunners when it comes to innovation. So real estate is also a sector that Hbar can disrupt. You can check this video out as well. What else do we have? As the world reflects upon COP29 last month and looks forward to Davos early next year, the Hedera Guardian is emerging as a leading DMRV solution, helping to scale the voluntary carbon market as well as realize the promise of trading under Article 6. Blockchain's Future, a State of the Industry panel. Digital Titans unites as Lehman Baird, John Woods, Ben Jorgensen, and Alex Brandes delve into the mass adoption, DREC Alliance, and more. This seems interesting, guys. Ben, is involved with Constellation Network. John Woods, these are all Titans. CTO at Algorand. Lehman Baird, co-founder of Hedera, DREC Alliance, and Hashgraph. Alex Brands, CTO at Constellation Network. This is a must-watch. I will try and watch this, to be honest, starting December 18th to 12 a.m. This would be great. Timing depends on where you are, by the way. So, what do you guys think about Ripple and Hedera? Do you think that they indeed are reshaping the global finance? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.